In this video, I will show you how to make AI-generated text undetectable. There are multiple tools that you can use to make AI-generated text undetectable. Firstly, let's open ChatGPT and generate some written data from it. Once you get it, copy the text that you want to use. Now open a new tab and search for stealthwriter.ai. Go to Humanizer and paste the text that you have copied from AI. Once done, click on the Check AI button. It will tell you if your text is AI written or not. Now to remove AI detection, click on the Humanize button. It will remove the detection from your text. You can also use ZeroGPT for this purpose. Paste the text and click on Detect Text. Once done, again check your rewritten text. As you can see, it is now showing that our text is human written. This is the easiest way to make AI-generated text undetectable. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.